Pandas has three methods that look similar: .map, .apply, and .applymap. People mix them up constantly. One of them was removed in Pandas 3.0. If your applymap call just threw attribute error, here's the fix in one line. Pandas.map, Pandas.apply, Pandas.applymap. Three similar names, three different jobs. .map is series only. Its killer feature is the dict overload. Pass a dict and Pandas does the lookup for every value at once. .apply works on DataFrames too. Axis 0 is per column, axis 1 is per row. ApplyMap was removed in Pandas 3. Use DataFrame.map instead. Three Pandas methods, three different jobs, and one of them was removed in Pandas 3.0. Open nvim. Save as pandas_methods.py. 1. Import pandas. Build a tiny prices data frame. 3 tickers, 3 days. Small enough to hold in your head. Method 1. Series.map. Series only. Pass a dict mapping ticker symbols to sector names. Pandas does the lookup for every value at once. One line, no for loop, no merge. Method 2. Series.apply. Also series only, but takes a function instead of a dict. Slightly slower than .map, more flexible. Method 3. DataFrame.apply with axis equals 0. Your function receives each column as a series. Perfect for per-column reductions like standard deviation or mean. Method 4. DataFrame.apply with axis equals 1. Now your function receives each row as a series. The row-wise tool, but a Python loop in disguise. Method 5. DataFrame.map, the modern element-wise method, runs your function on every cell. Format numbers, cast types, sanitize strings. Method 6 is the trap. ApplyMap. Old code, old tutorials. Deprecated in 2.1, removed in 3.0. Calling it on Pandas 3 throws attribute error. The fix is a one-word rename. Save and run. All 6 cases produce the expected output, and the ApplyMap call hits the attribute error. Exactly the gotcha you'd hit pasting old code into a fresh environment. Three things to take away. First, .map is series only, and the dict overload is what makes it special. If you're translating ticker to sector or status code to label, that's the one-liner. Second, .apply is the function-only tool. On a data frame, axis equals 0 gives you each column, axis equals 1 gives you each row. Use axis 1 sparingly. It's a Python loop. Third, ApplyMap is gone in Pandas 3.0. The replacement is DataFrame.map. Same signature, same behavior. If your code throws attribute error on ApplyMap, that's the one-word rename. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Subscribe to the playlist for more Python answers.